Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sonal and you're watching Teentastic Crafts. This video is gonna be different from what I generally upload on YouTube cause it's all about a craft haul which I did very recently. So without any further delay, let's get into the video.
Check it out.
Finally, the most awaited craft haul is here and I can't end up showing my teeth about the fact that it's kept in front of me. Coming to the store from where I have ordered these products is an Instagram store that is Paperoni by Muskan. They are also having their own website that is Tofa by Muskan. I link both of these in my description box. You can check out from there. The very first thing which I want to tell you guys about this store is that they are having a very beautiful collection of craft supplies such as paper packs with all beautiful prints and colors, element sheets, sentiment booklets, especially the metallic butterflies which is their best sellers. Even they have added shaker sequences to their collection. I really insist you guys to buy your craft supplies from here. You'll really love it. So this is how it looked earlier before removing its outer packaging. I can say that the packaging was good enough. Here, I haven't removed the bubble wrap yet and I haven't seen the products kept inside and I'm very excited to see them and I literally cannot wait. So let's unwrap it quickly. Please avoid my unwrapping pattern or skills, whatever you say, because right now I am literally excited about the products kept inside and I'm just crazy about I have to see it as soon as possible. So please avoid it. Done with removing the bubble wrap and I'm so excited with the overview itself. You can just say that it's literally very pretty, like all the pinkish and sugary colors, and I have got one free gift too and I'm very excited to know that what I have got as a free gift. So, and one more thing is there, I'm very confused from where to start and literally I'm confused. So here is a thank you card from Muskan D, the owner of Paperoni by Muskan, and still confused from where to start. So we'll do one thing, we'll arrange it all category wise and one by one we'll just review each of the products. So let's arrange them. First we'll start with the 12 into 12 inches of paper packs and I'm having two of them. The first paper pack is called as Sugar Crush and there are 10 designs, 2 sheets per design, that is in total there are 20 sheets. The GSM of the paper is 300 and which is very good for scrapbooking and card making. And again the brand name is Paperoni by Muskan and you won't be getting this paper pack anywhere else except for Paperoni by Muskan. The very first thing I would like to tell you guys about this paper pack is that they are having a very nice color combination, pinks, purples and whites. Literally they are very nice and the prints over it, they are adding more charm to it, more glamour to the paper pack and making it more eye-catchy. And even I got attracted with these paper packs and I end up ordering both the sizes and I don't regret what I did and I insist you to buy one for yourself. So the next paper pack is known as Hello Summer. There are 20 sheets. Again it is of 300 GSM and the brand name is Paperoni by Muskan. Let's see the patterns individually. As the name says Hello Summer, they literally give a tropical vibe, a springtime vibe, and I literally love this paper pack, especially it's so glossy, it's so I can't express my feelings in words, my views about it in words, because the prints are literally very nice and you can just use this paper pack in spring summer projects and all. And literally this paper pack is very nice, but just one thing is that, like, the print which I love the most, this pink one, there is only one sheet of it, and there is 3 sheet of this polka dot one. Coming to the 8 into 8 inches of paper pack, I have bought 3 of them, and all of these 3 are from the brand named My Paper Pack. Coming to the first paper pack, it is known as Huge Stories. There are in total 10 designs, 2 sheets per design. That is, in total there are 20 sheets, and the paper's thickness is really very good. That is, you can use it for scrapbooking and card making easily because its thickness is really very nice. Coming to the prints and color combination of the paper pack, I can say that they are very good. They are very beautiful because the prints, especially the butterflies and the hot air balloon, the flowers, the splash of colors, like from sober till vibrant, both are there in this paper pack, and it literally is very good. And I'll just say that you can just go for this paper pack without giving it a second thought. The second paper pack is from the brand My Paper Pack, named as Love and Adore. There are in total 21 sheets, among which there are 20 pattern sheets and 1 tag sheet. There are 2 sheets per design. The sizes, there are many sizes available in it. The one is 12 into 12 inches, 8 into 8 inches, A4 size, and A4 vellum is also available. The GSM of the paper is 300, which is apt for scrapbooking and card making. You can see the paper packs, the patterns of the paper is so good. In fact, this one is a favorite of mine in this whole paper pack. Like, it's literally very pretty. And here's the tag sheet. It's so cute and very beautiful. The third paper pack is again from the brand named My Paper Pack, known as Hugs and Kisses. There are 21 sheets in this pack, 10 designs. Per design there are 2 sheets and 1 tag sheet. There are 3 different sizes available for this paper pack. One is 12 into 12 inches, then the 8 into 8 inches and A4 size. And the thickness of the paper pack is 300 GSM, which is apt for card making and scrapbooking. All the paper packs I have ordered, they are of 300 GSM. In the camera it might be looking more on the red side, but it is more on the pinkish side, because most of the colors used in this paper pack is magenta, and this would really look good in the BFF projects, birthday projects, couple goals, and like literally it is very good. And I really love this paper pack. In fact, all the paper packs, they are literally very beautiful and pretty. The tag sheet is literally very nice. It will add more glamour to our projects and make it look more beautiful. I would really suggest you guys to go for this paper pack because it's literally very beautiful. Coming to 6 into 6 inches of paper pack, I have again bought 3 of them, and one I have got as a free gift, and that is this one with love. We'll start with this, the Sugar Crush one. Like, already I have reviewed it, but this is the small size of it. Coming to the other paper pack, it is named as Vibrant Vibes, and with the outer look itself, you can just say that it is like what the name says. And let's open it up. The name of the paper pack is Vibrant Vibes. There are total 20 sheets, 10 designs, 2 sheets per design. The thickness of the paper pack is 300 GSM and the brand name is Paperoni by Muskan. This paper pack, I'm so overwhelmed with it. I really love this. In fact, these two looks very good together because light pink and yellow complements each other and the print is really very nice. This one is looking as if like some water body or cyclone, and this is also very nice. This is the third one. These two are also looking very good together, and I literally love each and every paper of this paper pack. In fact, the prints, the design are like very nice. I'm thinking I would have taken the bigger size of this too, because it's really very pretty, and these two are also looking very good together. Like each and every paper is just complementing each other. I really love this paper pack. This is my favorite one of this all. The third paper pack is again from the brand Paperoni by Muskan, and it is named as Be a Unicorn. In this paper pack, there are 20 sheets, that means 10 designs and 2 sheets per design. The thickness of the paper pack is papers used in this paper pack is 300 GSM, which is again apt for scrapbooking and card making. Coming to the color combination used in this paper pack is very nice, pinks and purples again, and I really love these colors together. The prints are also very nice, and unicorn are the thing which every girl loves, and in fact to some extent I too love unicorns. Look at this paper pack, it's so cute. Like this whole paper pack is very cute. The one word which can define this paper pack is cute. Okay, and I have ordered this paper pack just because of the unicorns. And look at this paper, it's so good. It's a gradient rainbow and it is really very pretty. The only one thing I would like to say about this paper pack is it's very cute and I really loved it. I'm very excited to use it in my projects and I love these two designs the most. The fourth paper pack is a free gift named as With Love. There are total 20 sheets, 10 designs with 2 sheets per design. And the thickness of the paper is 300 GSM, which is again apt for scrapbooking and card making. You can use this paper pack particularly in the couple goals craft project and all. And look at this, it's so pretty. I can say that the color combination is really very pretty. It's literally pure red. The color combination used here is light pink or baby pink, white, red and peach color. It's not peach, but it's somewhat carrot color. I'm very happy that I got this as a free gift because the paper pack is really very beautiful and heart tempting as it's red. The next product is the element sheets. There are in total 10 element sheets and this is the first one, the panda element sheet. I really love pandas and I have just bought this for like my projects which are mainly for babies and all. And these are the 2 unicorn element sheets which I really love the most because unicorns are a thing which everybody loves and I love that unicorn very much. Now this is a tag sheet which is named as Be Wild. In this, like, it's all tribal vibe, you can say tribal or boho vibes over here. the owl over there, Hakuna Matata written is over there. I literally love this tag sheet. Then I have ordered combo of these three tag sheets, and I have got this for 70 rupees, and individual sheet is for 30 rupees. You can see how beautiful it is. I'm very excited to use this in my craft projects, and I can't wait that when I'll be using it. I'm sure you might be also excited as I am. This is again very pretty. The quotes written over there is literally very relatable. Now this is again a combo, and I have bought this for using it in my anniversary projects and couple goals project, and I'm very excited to use it in my project as usual. I think the thickness of the tag sheet is same as the pattern papers, and I really love this tag sheet over here because it's so good and it's really unique. I haven't seen a tag sheet where couples are here, and that too in ethnic attire. I have seen all the tag sheets where the couples are in western attire, and I literally love that one, the one at the down left corner, and I'm very excited to use this tag sheet in my project. The next is this metallic butterflies, which is the best seller of Paperoni by Muskan. I have bought the silver metallic butterflies. You can golden color is also available in this, but I chose silver. You can see how pretty it is. It will instantly add glamour to your project. This I can assure you. And in fact I am in love with these butterflies. They are so good. The next product is journaling cards, which is again from the brand Paperoni by Muskan. It is known as Fun with Paperoni, and let's see how it looks, because I was literally very excited with this about this journaling cards. And here it is, your perfect. Anyone who sees, they'll read the correct word. They have to see it very carefully while reading it. You are unbearable. I do not know what I would do without you. I love you very much. Have a super day. Hey cutie, I am grateful for you. When I just read this, I was reading it as graceful, not grateful. When I just saw it properly, then I came to know, okay, there it is written grateful instead of graceful. And this is also very good, and it will add extra glamour to my projects, and I'm very excited to use it in my craft projects. I've also ordered a double-sided foam tape. Guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. For the products which I have received, I am very excited. Even you can just notice it by my voice. And the quality is top notch. They are very of a very good quality, of a very high quality. I can just assure you, you can just at least check once their website or their Instagram page. I'm sure once you'll just see their products, you'll end up placing an order. So happy shopping and stay safe. If you like today's video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. And please do share your views in the comment section, because your positive comments motivates us to make more useful contents.